Answer loud and clear, Angelica. Let us begin with English reading. Please read the following basic sight words. Louder ka. Okay, very good. Let us move now to mathematics. Please count from 96 until 126. Okay, let us move now to the number after. What is the number after 119? Number after 97. Number after 101. Number after 90. And number after 117. Let us move now to science. Warm-blooded animals. Which groups of animals are warm-blooded? What does warm-blooded mean? What are the only animals in the world with feathers? Do all birds lay eggs? Where do they keep their eggs? Can all birds fly? Which birds cannot fly? Do baby birds need milk from their mother? Which baby animals need milk from their mother? Are bats, birds, or mammals? What is the difference between monkeys and apes? Are there mammals that live in water? Give examples. Still in science, what are the 4 secondary directions? What are the 7 lakes of San Pablo City? And, okay, very good. Let us move now to social studies. People with friendly relations with early Filipinos. People who conquered the Philippines. Let us move now to ethics. What is stealing? Is it good to steal? What is being careless? Is it good to be careless? What is tattling? Is it good to tattle? What is snooping? Is it good to snoop? In religion, Jericon, please recite Hail Mary in Latin. Last one. Please translate the following English into German. House or home, school, hospital, police station, train station, post office, market, park. Okay, very good. Perfect.